And I'm proud to tell to anybody, I wish this tape is play in the presidency. In the last 4 years of my life, I've been supporting the cause of Nigerian rice. Unfortunately, men of Nigerian custom came to my warehouse around 2 a.m. in the night, and they blocked everything, broke my door, tied down my security man, and cut away with my rice. The rice is in their office now. 704 bags, 100% Nigerian bag. Men of Nigerian press, go and look. I have over 10 trailers inside, purely Nigerian rice. They've been frustrating me. Ask any importer of rice in Nigeria. Montolive Nigeria Limited have been supporting them, and the biggest distributor of Nigerian rice in the whole of Southwest. Nigerian custom just came to frustrate me. I have over 418 staff to pay. What do they want? Because I'm not doing booking with them, I'm doing my business, I'm paying my tax. All my staff are here, you can see. Now, if they say we are not doing it the orderly way, what is the orderly way? My staff was with DPO of Surulere. We call area command. As I'm talking to you now, the commissioner of police in Kwara State, after all, he has the number of Ahmed Ali. Let him call Ahmed Ali and say a company in Ilorin is demonstrating. He should stand in his team to investigate my righteousness. Yeah, madam.
Have you reported to them?
We have reported to them.
And what was the rest?
They said they need, it's only the commissioner of police that can give that permit.
Then have you made formal?
No, please, listen. I'm a chess player. The approach I'm using now, as a perfect chess player, when you are being attacked, you don't defend. They attack me unlawfully, I'm attacking back unlawfully. But if they say we should remain calm, I will remain calm. I can call all these people. If you channel, blow it, that a boy said he's doing it unconstitutionally, I've told my wife, if it is to go to jail, all these staff will go to jail with me. Because we are on a just cause. Yes. All of you know. So it's not the matter of law now. They busted into my warehouse. I gave them, I flew in from Abuja yesterday. They said we should come and see the ACG today and the controller. We go to their office now, they said it's not around. The controller there knew that 3 of my staff were locked up. They collected 50,000. One of them is a prince, Omoba Lorin. One of my friends, Prince Olanyika, is my friend. Just to talk to them, they just arrest him, lock him. For what? On just cause. In year 2019, in a civilized country.
So what is your prayer, sir? My
prayer now is unconditionally they should release my rights today. Presidency should hear. Presidency should now set up a special committee to come and look at us on Nojatotun. I'm in 23 locations across Nigeria. I'm in Ibadan. I'm in Bida. Let them come and investigate us and know who is righteous. Yes. My company and all my staff are ready to cooperate with Nigeria. Are ready to cooperate with Buhari to fight this man. Madam, I go to Olam Farm.